Hey guys, we are here with second video for Photopedia, and today's theme is artificial lighting. We have 6 photographers here with their different flashes, lights, and even we have pixel stick today. So I hope this would be amazing this time. Let's see how it goes.
So I'm gonna use, I'm gonna do best of the both worlds. I'll be using natural plus the artificial lights here. So what gear am I using here is, I'm gonna put my conscious into my gear of this mine. So what I'm gonna use is a Magbeam map grid, plus what I'll be using in the flashlights is a Godox V860 plus an SB 5000. So let's go ahead.
6.5 minutes gone, guys. Anmol, and he's got some brilliant frames. He's done one really nice shot. The contrast between the yellow of the butta and the green of the leaves is
Yeah, I'm gonna use my surroundings right here. I'll show you in the camera, right?
Since it's a 3-photo series, the thought that I got was I could probably do an elopement with these guys. So they are frightened of their family and they're eloping, and that means high level of passion. At the same time, there's a certain sense of being afraid of their parents, and that's what I'm trying to capture. And let's hope things work out as we move on. In terms of lighting, I'm going to be using MagGrid. I'm going to be using a flash, a speed light, Canon speed light, and for the final image I'm going to be using LED lights.
12 minutes up, guys, for Shambhavi, and we just has 3 more minutes, and it's a really exciting time.
There's hardly any cloud. I wanted to light them from behind. Yeah, silhouette. Hug each other tightly, embrace yourself. It was a very thrilling experience for me, and I'm sure the couple. And I was able to close the 3 shots. And I'm hoping that I'll be able to come out with better shots at the end of it. Thank you.
I'll be using Snoot and one of more speed light with a magnet. Let's see how it goes. Six minutes left only. उनका फेस टाइट शॉट लूंगा, इस पे फेस पे लिट होगा और नीचे लाइट होगा.
3, 2, 1, over.
So we are with this beautiful couple, Rohit and Akanksha,
Yes.
who are very supportive of them. I can't be in front of the camera, I'm feeling conscious right now. So I'm using a Nikon D750 and I have two flashes, Godot 860, both of them. Magrids, gels. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's see. May God be with me for the next 15 minutes. May the two men be with me.
Oh, yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Priyam, your time starts now.
So we have Priyam over here shooting now, and he has two flashes over here. One for the couple itself, and other he's getting his foreground also colored with color gels over here, and he's on a low angle, so he can get his foreground also. So you can see combining all these things together will make a good picture. 10 minutes are up. See, he's got water up on those grasses now. So that's a great idea.
About 3 minutes to go, and I think he's got some really nice shots lying down and through the grass and stuff. So I'm really excited to see what Priyam's doing. Let's go see that.
I have mag mods with me, so I'll be using Active for getting my light focused on the couple itself, and I'll be using LEDs also, so that if you don't have flash, you can use simple LEDs for making your lights also work, and even we'll be using bulbs inside the cafe itself. Just see around, whatever you have in wedding, use that as an ambience.
I'm not live. About 10 minutes.
Look around, there are ambient lights. If you're not having flashes, you can use such lights over there. We'll be using fridge LED lights over here.
We've done about 13 minutes and he has just 2 more minutes to go. Let's see what magic he does in 2 minutes, guys.
traffic going. Okay, if the car, basically, I'm just giving you a scene out of a movie. Okay, where the car is going, okay, and someone is probably stopping you, and you're trying to protect him. You're feeling very insecure, so I need you to, clench onto him. So hold on to his shirt probably, and while your eyes are closed, probably because you are frightened, and he is looking outside the window. Okay.
Fancy 3-light setup, and I'm not going to give away more. So let's go on to him and start off with Karthik.
Clench onto his shirt and everything, and okay. And now you put your head over here, yeah, and you look towards the window. Okay, window should be a little down here. Okay, perfect.
Escaping from some people and they're hiding and he's protecting Akanksha and the drama and the movie created from the shot. I can't wait to show you guys the shot. It's really
I personally was very scared to do artificial lighting, that too in front of so many other photographers. It was a sort of a mini leap of faith for me, and the way everybody came together, helped each other in the shots, that was the takeaway for me.
It's amazing. I just signed up for it because I wanted to do it, but I was shit scared till I got behind the camera. Looking at each other, I like, "Isne kar liya, isne kar liya, isne kar liya, what will I do?" But the moment you get behind the camera, ideas come. And the 15-minute, that's the main thing. Like, it's freaking difficult. 15 minutes are freaking difficult.
Got to see and got to learn from all the other people how they shoot, you know, what mind frame do they have like while shooting. So it was it was a good experience for you, more than good. Thank you so much.
An amazing initiative, Photopedia. It's bringing all the photographers, the great photographers, together as a community. Looking at all these images on the computer is one thing, but looking at how they come across, how they all are executed, and then come in front of you is another thing altogether. Okay, you might be a photographer, but we are getting to learn so much from other photographers. It's just brilliant initiative, and I think I have been a very, very privileged photographer to have been a part of it, and I think this should go on like always. It should be forever, sort of a thing.
So we request all the photographers to come together to this, and let's learn from each other, let's share, and let's spread knowledge for the people who are going to join this industry in future. So that's all.